Hi family, I'm Miss Rhea, and we are here to sing the world awake.
Across the outer space, the children of the human race have been calling, praying for some grace to vibrate the entire place. Now we remember who we are, that we have come here from the stars to create heaven on earth.
And what is Sing the World Awake? When we use our voices to create the most beautiful world we can imagine. And today, we are going to talk about something called coping, how to cope, and coping skills. You might have heard about this. Now, coping is when we're feeling maybe bad or sad or worried, how we can turn that around into feeling more joyful, happy, and good. And so in Sing the World Awake, we have many, many songs we sing to help us feel happy and better. And so something that we're going to learn about today for our coping skills is we're going to learn about light. And so we know light. Light right now, you can see me because there's light. There's the light of the sun. And we're always talking to Starry about the light, about his light, about the star family's light. And so why is light something that can help us cope, help us with coping, help us to feel better? Well, light is the organizer of the darkness. And why is organizing helpful? Well, maybe at your house, maybe at some time all of your toys have been all over the place, or maybe the kitchen has been really a mess. And then your mom comes in and she organizes. She puts the books on the bookshelf. She puts the toys away. She might wash the dishes. She puts the dishes away. And then when your house is neat and clean and organized, then it's easier to find your toys. It's even easier to think about good games to play or even to relax because everything is put in its place. And sometimes the reason we feel worried or scared or nervous is because we have such big feelings. Who knows what feelings are? Feelings are these things we have inside of ourselves, like happiness. I love when I feel happy, but we also have other feelings like sad. We have feelings like worry. We have feelings like anger. Sometimes the feelings can be so big when we can organize it, like putting everything in its place, understanding where it all goes. Once everything's organized, we can understand maybe what can help us feel better. So we are using the light to help organize. And what better friend to talk to about the light than our friend, who? Let me hear you. Starry. So let's take a deep breath in through our nose and exhale down with a ha. Let's take another deep breath in. Exhale down with a ha. And one more deep breath in. Ah. Oh, Starry, you snuck up on me. Hi, Miss Rhea. I'm so glad to be here with you today. Thank you for coming and visiting. Oh, yes, my pleasure. How are things with your star family? Oh, things are wonderful with our star family. We're all there surrounding your Mother Earth and sending so much love to you. Oh, Starry, thank you so much. Well, I thought that you would be a great friend to talk to today because we're talking about light. Oh, I know all about light. I am light. I'm starlight and I shine all the time. That's right, Starry. Well, Today, we're talking about some big things. We're talking about feelings. Oh, feelings! Sometimes I get scared of feelings because they're so big and I don't always understand them. Yes, Starry, so that's what we're talking about today. And something called coping. Have you heard of coping? Coping? I don't think so, Miss Rhea. So, coping is how we can help ourselves feel better when we're feeling sad or worried or anxious. Oh, so coping is a way to understand your feelings and help yourself feel better? That's right, Starry. That's exactly it. So one of our tools that we're learning about today with coping is we're learning about light. Oh, I know all about light, but Miss Rhea, how can light help us with coping? Well, Starry, I think you might know that light organizes the darkness. Oh, right. Like a single starlight can create light for many planets and many worlds. That's right. And when the light is shining, then people can see and then people can understand. When the light is shining, then people can see and then people can understand. And when we can understand, then it can help us to feel better. I see, Miss Rhea. That's so helpful. So, Starry, can you tell us any stories about how you can see light being used to help us organize something that might be so big? Well, I can tell you that at the edge of the darkness, when a light shines, it makes all the darkness go away and it keeps people warm, safe, and happy. Oh, thank you, Starry. So we're going to sing a song about it. I'll teach you the words because this song is in another language. Another language? Yes, this song is in a language called Latin. Latin? Where is that from? It's an old language that not many people speak anymore. Okay, so we're going to say the word for light, but we're going to say it in Latin. Oh, okay. So we're going to say lumen. 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 That's right. And then day, day, lumen, day. Like a lighted day, kind of like that. So it's lumen day, lumen day, and then lumen a, lumen a. So that's right, Starry. So it's two parts. Lumen day, lumen day, lumene, lumene. That's right, Starry. Miss Rhea. Yes, Starry. I can feel that inside me when I say it. You can. Oh, yes. Well, that is very interesting, Starry, because when we say lumen day, lumene, we are calling on the light. We're calling on the light inside of us, and we're calling on the light from the stars. Oh, that sounds like magic words. That's right, Starry. These words are magic. Actually, all of our words are magic, and we are just remembering that and learning how to use that magic once again. Thank you, Miss Rhea. So we're going to sing this song, and hopefully you'll come back and visit and let us know if your star family has heard us. Okay, Miss Rhea. See you later. Bye-bye, Starry. Can we say bye-bye to Starry? Bye-bye, Starry. Bye-bye, Miss Rhea. Bye-bye. Oh, bye, Starry. I always love when Starry comes to visit. So now we're going to use those words we learned with Starry. Lumen de Lumine. And we're going to sing these words and we're going to use our hands. Let me see your fingers. Wiggling our fingers. So our hands are like magic wands. So we can use the magic of our words and then use our hands to make that magic all around us. So if you can put your hand, palm up, we're going to pretend that we have a light in our hand, a little candle in our hand. And while we sing Lumen de Lumine, we're going to move this hand, but we want to make sure that the palm stays up because the light is in there. So no matter how we twist it, I want you to twist just like me, but don't lose that light that's in your hand, okay? So we're going to sing these words, Lumen de Lumine, and then we are going to sing some other words as the song goes on. And those words are, I remember who I am. I remember who I am. Okay, are we ready, family?
Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine. With the sunrise, on my surely I've been permanent.
Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine.
Life is calling me.
And watch your light on your hand. And watch your fingertips. So now we're making circles toward the sky, bringing the light in from the sky. And then circling to the earth, bringing that light to the earth. Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine, to the earth. And tapping fingers. I remember who I am. I remember who I am. Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine, Lumen de Lumine. And let's see your light in your hands. And bring that light into your heart. Bring that light into your feelings. And just think about how the light can be helpful for you. And remember that Starry and his star family are always there, shining their light through the darkness. Let's rub our hands together with all that heat. And then with all the light, send this light to our world. Send this light to all the places where there's darkness in the world, so that this light can bring organization and coping and order to all those who are suffering. And remember that you are so powerful. You have power in your words, in your thoughts, and your actions, and even something like thinking good thoughts and sending those good thoughts to our Mother Earth and to all the creatures that live on Mother Earth. That's so helpful. So always remember that you have the power to make a difference in this world, and that's why you were placed here. Well, we'll see you again, and I look forward to singing with you next time. Bye-bye, family!